the boxing of the 115 fake red Ferragamo belt that is Southbridge quality. First, you take the fucking lid off. Second, now you get the fake shit. The one you can hang yourself within the suicide forest in Japan. Bam, nigga. The fake fucking, that thingy majigger. The BAM card. Psych, got all of you. Got all of you. Fake dusting rag. Oh hey, let's see what's inside. BAM! Everybody ready? BAM. And now for the boxing. Put the fake cum towel. Put the fake cum towel. Put the fake cum towel. Yeah. Then you get that fake belt. The one you can hang yourself with in that suicide forest. Suck that. Fit that little sucker in there. Forgot to put the card. Here's the money receipt thingy. The card. Put the fake belt, fake box on. Wrong way. Oh, you said you guys wanted it to be unboxed again. Alright. Take the fake box off. Take the fake belt out. Can't forget. This is fake. Psych, nigga, it's real. I'm just playing. The big belt. Then you take the card and shit out. Then you take this thing out. Take the cum towel. Pop this motherfucker off. Slide it like you're jerking a cock. Fit this in there. And slide this in like it's a tight pussy. Steady. Oh. Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. It does. I'm actually showing you. Made in Italy, niggers. Then you slide this sucker in here. And then you tie your bitches. And then, you see what this part's for? If you have a small enough head, you hang this up and you drop. And I drop top. Ha! It's a tree. Ha! Someone hanging from a tree. Shout out to Logan Paul. Should I do it? Shout out to Logan Paul. My nigga knows how to laugh at hanging people. But quick question, we ain't in Alabama, are we? Then you slide this out like it's a big black cock stuck in a pussy. And then you somehow have to put this back on here without fucking up. Then you slide this in here. Slide that in the loose pussy. You shove the big thing in the pooper cheeks. Close this, bitch. Take the cum towel. Lay it on there. You bitch. You put this in here. You put the fake shit in here.